When working on your online course, adding existing items such as pages, assignments, quizzes, discussions, and more to the modules page is a useful and simple task. This tutorial will teach you how to add items to the module page. On the modules page, scroll to the module where you wish to add items. On the top right of the module box, click on the plus icon. On the Add Item menu, select from the drop-down menu the type of item you wish to add. As you can see, you can choose between Canvas items such as assignments, quizzes, pages, like the module overview page, and discussions. You can also add files that are located in the course files section, as well as external URLs. While you are able to add files and external links to the modules page, it is advised that resources should be placed either in the relevant module overview page or in the description for the relevant activity. According to student usability testing, students are more likely to view resources that are attached to actionable items that have to-do dates such as pages, like the module overview page, or due dates such as assignments, quizzes, and discussions. If you want to add resources, please check our editing content tutorial for more information. A link for the tutorial can be found in the description for the video. Select the item you wish to add from the list. Then, click Add Item at the bottom right of the pop-up menu. To reorder the item in the module or to place it in a different module in the modules page, please see our tutorial for rearranging the modules page. A link for the tutorial can be found in the description for the video. Please check out our faculty resource site for more tutorials as well as how to reach out to ATD with any questions or any assistance needs you may have. Thanks for watching.